Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to add or update your bio on Instagram using your PC with the latest web version. If you usually manage your profile from your phone, you'll be glad to know that the desktop version now makes this process just as simple. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Instagram Web. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the home screen, look over to the left-hand side of your screen where the main menu is located. Now, click on the three horizontal lines. This will open up more options. From here, find and select Settings. After you enter Settings, look for the option that says Edit Profile and click on it. This is where you can manage all your profile details. Once you're inside the Edit Profile section, scroll until you find the Bio field. This is the space where you can introduce yourself, describe your brand, or add anything you want people to know about you. Go ahead and type your new bio or update your existing one. You can include emojis, line breaks, or keywords depending on how you want your profile to look. If you're creating content or promoting something, this is a great place to make a strong first impression. When you're done editing, simply click on Submit to save your changes. That's it. Your new bio will now be visible on your profile instantly. Updating your Instagram bio from a PC is now faster and more convenient, especially if you're working on content, managing a brand, or just prefer typing on a keyboard. If this helped you, make sure to keep your profile updated regularly so it always reflects what you're currently working on.